Flowers are used in food by someone who cares about you and the beauty of what you're about to eat. As a kid, I have fond memories of my mom making squash blossom quesadillas and chamomile tea. It's undeniable. Edible flowers add lovely colors, sweet aromas, and surprising flavors to our gardens. Here are some of my favorite flowers that are not only tasty, they're very easy to grow. Borage is all the buzz at our farm. The self-seeding annual grows vigorously in warm soil. It's also popularly known as bee bread, as it produces abundant nectar that bees go crazy for and yields excellent honey. So if you're a beekeeper, consider adding borage to your flower mix. To grow borage, choose a sunny spot and give it plenty of space. If it starts taking over the garden, don't fret. It takes well to being pruned. Borage leaves are packed with vitamin C and have a pleasant cucumber-like flavor that shines through in cooling drinks. Borage blooms abundantly in our farm from spring to first frost. Its beautiful blue flowers can be used as a tasty garnish or in ice cubes to embellish drinks. Fun fact about calendula. Calendula was originally used as a dye in butters and cheeses, giving them their golden signature hue. Calendula, also known as spot marigold, is very easy to grow. Just pick a sunny spot with well-drained soil. In the kitchen, calendula can be used to garnish spreads and salads. Its petals will add tangy flavor and golden color to breads and cakes. When it comes to edible flowers, nasturtiums are some of the tastiest and easiest to grow. While some flowers have subtle flavor, nasturtium packs a punch with its peppery aroma. All the parts of the nasturtium are edible, and they have the same peppery aroma reminiscent to arugula or watercress. Its blooms come in jewel tones that are just outstanding in vinegars and when added to salads. If you like to grow nasturtiums, be sure to wait for cool weather, as they will wither under the summer Texas sun. Lavender is a hardy annual that's mainly known for its uses in cosmetics and aromatherapy, but I argue there's a strong case to be made for its culinary uses. You should try lavender in chocolate desserts and summer lemonades. You'll be blown away. For savory dishes, lavender pairs beautifully with lamb. The most commonly used variety of lavender in the kitchen is English lavender. To get started growing lavender, get organic plants from your local nursery and plant them in a dry spot, as it will not tolerate wet feet. If you killed lavender before, you're probably watering it too much, so make sure to let it dry between waterings. An easy way to add lavender to your recipes is by mixing lavender flowers into sugar and letting it infuse for a week or two. You can then use this sugar into desserts and drinks. So edible flowers can add beautiful color and lovely aromas to your garden, inviting pollinators and other beneficial insects. So why not grow some flowers this spring? For Backyard Basics, I'm Alejandra Rodriguez Boughton.